The Vivo Nex 3 is expected soon, and the company already released an official teaser video which shows the overview of this phone, where viewers can spot the beautiful waterfall display, circular housing for rear cameras, elevating selfie camera, and also 3.5mm headphone jack. And not to forget, they also teased the 5G connectivity in Vivo Nex 3. Now I have a bunch of leaks regarding this device which are all incredible, so stay with me till the end of this video and we will get through all of that. With that being said, let's get started. The Vivo Nex 3 is said to have a 99.3% screen to body ratio, which is remarkable, and not to mention the waterfall display with two curved sides that drop almost straight down. Not much is known about the rest of the display specs like the resolution, the PPI, but we can expect a completely new outlook for phones from the day when we first hold it. About its processor, it's also confirmed to come with the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset with 5G support. Moving forward to the battery, the leak suggests a hefty 6400 mAh battery, and it is expected to come with the 44W fast charger. Although its much recent innovation of 120W super flash charge that can charge a 4000 mAh battery in as little as 13 minutes might not be out of bounds. This is because Vivo Nex has always been the smartphone to come with the company's latest innovations. So we might get to see either 44W or 120W fast charging support. In terms of camera, the Vivo Nex 3 is expected to feature a 64MP primary camera sensor, which can also be found within the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Realme XT that is set to launch soon. Vivo Nex 3 will feature a triple camera setup which is housed inside a circular shaped module on the rear panel, which I have to say is in trend right now, as more and more upcoming phones are using this design. And for selfie, it includes a pop-up selfie camera. However, this time the Nex will come with a dual camera solution in a pop-up mechanism in the middle. And if you want to know about the rest of the specs, then don't worry. The Vivo Nex 3 will be unveiled next month in China, probably sometime in mid-September. So what do you think about this phone? Comment down below, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.